My DIY MacBook Pro wall mount has been serving me really well in the past 6 months. However, there's two minor issues because I designed it to be pretty wide to support all four rubber feet. A little bit wider, so I decided to trim them down. So hopefully it helps with the air circulation and heat dissipation. I'm going to mark the positions of the rubber feet with a pencil so I know where to cut on my table saw. I'll leave a link down below so you can watch the part 1 video of the entire build process of this wall mount dock. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe, no pressure. Now let's get it off the wall and get to work. Now the second cut. So far so good. The next step is to use my crosscut jig to cut them off, and it's done. Much better. This rubber feet is still being supported. It's like the exact fit. Made a mistake cutting a little bit deeper, and now I have much better grip when I want to take the laptop off. Let's reconnect all the cables. Webcam, my DAC for audio, both HDMI cables, and it's working again. Thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your support.